Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie. Muffler went bad on this thing here a couple years ago, and I put some 62 Jaguar chrome mufflers on it. That's them right there, and they kind of burn out, and they got to where they were too loud even for me. So I put these either from Harley Davidson or some kind of high performance rice rocket. Still got the baffling in them, so they're sounding a lot better. Had to cut them off, cut about 4 inches off of them. But all it is, if you'd want to do that, is it's got two flanges there, and you just put a whatever kind of knuckle on it you want, then just weld the muffler right to that pipe. I had to alter the grill there a little bit, but let me start it up and let you hear how it sounds. It